Hello and good evening everyone. Welcome to Yoga with Rachel. Today we have a really relaxing and restorative bedtime yoga flow to really help you wind down and prepare your body for some much needed rest. Please bring along with you a blanket as well as a pillow. Wear something super extra comfy, PJs, sweatpants, wear your socks, it's all good. Okay, let's get started. Hello friends, so find a comfortable seat of your choice. This could be in a kneeling position or even in a cross-legged position. Feel free to lay out a blanket over top of your yoga mat for some more comfort, support, and warmth. Close your eyes or even keep a soft gaze looking directly past your nose and just allow your hands to fall wherever they may fall and breathe here. We're using this time to slow down, to give our body and mind permission to slow down, to wind down. We're preparing ourselves for some much needed rest. Perhaps as you breathe here, you notice your breath. As you inhale, perhaps you feel the air rushing through your nose, down your throat, into your chest, and then into your belly. And what happens as you breathe out? The breath can be an excellent tool to help us remain anchored or rooted in the present moment. It can also help us wind down. So just notice your breath. Perhaps you use this time to take a body scan. Perhaps you notice where you are gripping. Perhaps in the jaw. If you are, maybe you choose to slightly part your lips. Perhaps you notice your shoulders are slowly creeping up towards your ears. Maybe take some weight in the elbows. Relax your shoulders down to create some more space between your ears and your shoulders. Are you gripping in your hands and your toes? Just notice. We're only here for 3 more breath cycles. Okay, feel free to keep your eyes closed or maintain that soft gaze for this next movement. We're just going to take some neck circles here, nice and slow. There's absolutely no rush, so take your time with this. Reverse your circle. Remember to breathe as you do this movement. Great. And then when you feel satisfied, find some stillness and feel free to open up your eyes. We're going to do a few seated cat-cows, which is really great for our spine. So as we breathe in, we shine our chest forward, we loop our shoulders up and down our back body, bringing our elbows a little bit closer towards our side body, and we look forward, arching through our back. And on our exhale, we begin to round through our back body, chin towards our chest, rounding through our shoulders. And breathe. On our next inhale, we open up, look forward, and then on our exhale, we round through the back body, chin towards the chest. So now that you have an idea of what the shape looks like, feel free to close your eyes. We're gonna do 3 more seated cat-cows like so. Okay, let's do it. So start by inhaling, and then exhale. Inhale, breathe out. Inhale in, exhale. Okay, coming back to our starting position, place your hands at your sides and begin to walk your right fingers away from your body. You can either keep your fingertips raised or planted on the mat, or you can firmly plant your right hand on the mat. As you inhale, descend your left hand up and overhead, and on an exhale, find a side body stretch. So reaching your left hand towards the right side of your mat. Breathe here. Perhaps you decide to look on up towards the sky, open up a little bit more, and then exhale to release back to center. We're just gonna take it right on over to the other side. So walking your left fingertips away from your body. Again, you can keep up on your fingertips, or you can plant your left hand down. Breathe in to send your right hand up and overhead. And on an exhale, begin that side body stretch once again. And breathe. Okay, release and come right back through center. Keep your hands at your sides to support you for this next transition. Send your right foot out long. Your right leg is kind of on a diagonal to your body, and bring the sole of your left foot to the inner right thigh. Take some honey, some peanut butter, whatever you put on your toast, and smear it across your rib cage, so that way now your front body is facing towards your right leg, and flex your foot, toes pointing up towards your face. So now you can take your pillow or a folded up blanket and place it over top of your right leg like so. If those items are not available to you, you can keep a nice little bend in your knee for this next pose. Okay. Let's breathe in together, and as we do, let's send our arms up and overhead, and on an exhale, begin to melt your upper body towards your blanket, pillow, or your knee. Allow your hands to just rest at your sides here, at the sides of your leg. Breathe in, and on your next exhale, perhaps you melt or release your forehead to the pillow, blanket, or knee. Breathe here. Great. Roll on up through the spine. Place your pillow off to the side for a moment, and we're just gonna really just take it on over to the other side. So left foot goes out, and then we hug our right foot in to our now left inner thigh. We take our peanut butter, honey, whatever you like to put on your toast, smear it across your rib cage. Once again, flex through your left foot, toes pointing up towards your face, and place your item on your leg. Breathe in and out. On your next breath in, send your arms up and overhead, and then on an exhale, begin to drape and melt your upper body towards your pillow or whatever item you are using. Breathe in, and on your next exhale, release your crown of your head, your forehead to the pillow. And breathe here. Great. Roll on up. Place your pillow off to the side and bring the soles of your feet together, knees nice and wide. Let's take our thumbs and now give our feet a little nice massage. So we can massage the inner arches of our feet. Perhaps even the tops of our feet and the toes, the heels. Just get on in there. If you've never done it before, just trust, give it a try. You may like it. You know, our feet are crammed in shoes and socks for a good portion of our day. So it's kind of nice to give them a little TLC every now and again. Okay, and then when you feel happy with that, place your hands on your ankles, loop your shoulders up and down the back body to create some length. Inhale in, and on your exhale, begin to melt forward, sending your elbows from left to right, maintaining length in the back of your body. Pretend as if you're kind of looking into your reflection in a pond out in front of you. Breathe in, and on your next exhale, begin to release the crown of your head towards the earth. And breathe here. Perhaps feeling some tension washing away off of your back. One more breath cycle here. Great. So now just roll on up through your spine one last time. Close the knees. We're going to come to lie flat on our back. So if you have a hair elastic in, bobby pins, clips, whatever, take it out of your hair now. Place your pillow or folded up blanket on your mat for your head and shoulders, neck to rest on, and let's come to lay on our backs. When you arrive there, take a moment just to snuggle your shoulder blades underneath your back body, tucking your chin slightly, and then place the soles of your feet on the long edges of your mat and allow your knees to just fall in and kiss together. Place your hands on your belly and feel your belly rise and fall as you breathe. Okay, hug your knees into your chest. Give yourself a loving hug. And now place your hands on your kneecaps and stack your knees so that way now they're in line or over top of your hip points here. Allow your feet to just dangle. We're just going to take some knee circles here. So these could be very small, slow movements. Just massaging the low back body. Reverse your circle. And when you feel happy, extend your legs out long on your mat. Take up some space. Allow your hands to now fall at your sides, perhaps palms towards the ceiling, fingertips curled in. Close your eyes if your eyes are not already closed, and breathe here. Perhaps you take another moment to focus in on your breath. Perhaps you use this time for another body scan to see if there's anywhere else that you can release tension from. Notice how you feel. Are you feeling ready for bed? Did you notice some tension melt away? Did you find it tricky to quiet your mind during this practice? There's no right or wrong answer here. Just notice whatever thoughts come up. We're here for 5 more loving breath cycles. If you would like to stay in this pose a little bit longer, you can pause the video. Okay. Okay, wiggle your fingers, wiggle your toes, rock your head from side to side. Perhaps take a full body stretch here, arching your back. Hug your knees into your chest one last time. Rock on over to one side and come on up through to fetal position. And then make your way to a comfortable seat once again. I just want to take a moment to thank you so very much for joining me here today. If you haven't done so already, kindly subscribe to Yoga with Rachel. It is the best way to support free yoga content for all. Hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload new videos. I hope that you sleep well tonight. Take care, everyone. Bye for now.